Hola, shalom, for today, El Hasidical, the frugal luchador extraordinaire, here with some more Hanukkah on a budget tips for you. Today, take your ungrateful child's Hanukkah wish list. Wait till the day after Christmas, buy them some Hanukkah gifts. Oi, Jewish guilt. Today, take a dust mask, put it on your head. Oi, yarmulke. Today, we're gonna check our pockets, find some coins. Oi, Hanukkah miracle. Today, take some foil. Wrap a can in it. Oi, Hanukkah geld. Today, we're going to take some grape juice for it in a cup. Take some rubbing alcohol for it in a cup. Oi, Manischewitz. Today, take some bread. Squish it. Oi, unleavened bread. Today, we're going to take some baby oil. We're going to put it down in front of us. We're going to observe it. Oi, the meaning of Hanukkah.